Your new trick?
All right.
Clap. Hey, Alexandra. Alexandra. Clap. Claps. Alexandra. Clap. Okay, then you're not going to show me that trick. Should I put you on your tummy? Okay, here we go. That was very good. That was new, huh? It's like no problem anymore. You can always get it sitting up.
Put her flat.
On her stomach?
Yes.
Oh.
Hey, you like that, huh? Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Alexandra, come here. Don't. What are you doing? Come here. You need some help? Come on. You're so silly. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Come on, turn. Turn over. You can turn over. But they want to see your good side then? If you don't turn over? Come on here. Come on. Whoa, that was sort of crazy. Come here. Okay. I'm gonna pick you up. Don't get mad. I can't get our legs to go straight. Come here. It's almost like she's in slow motion backwards. Come on. Here, come on. She's gonna be knuckles soon. Come on, Alexandra. Alexandra, come here. Come here. What's going on? What are you looking at? What are you looking for? All your toys are over here. She's the whole figuring out how to stand up or